Hello ladybirds and bumblebees. Well, this week for science we're going to do an experiment thinking about our rockets and our rocket design and thinking about what we need to protect our rocket from. Now, on the moon there are these things called craters. Do you remember what a crater is? That's right, it's a big hole on the moon. And do you remember what caused the craters? What made them happen? What made these big holes? That's right, they were caused by meteors or meteorites crashing into the moon, making these big holes. So today we're going to do a little experiment to see what happens. We're going to create our own moon surface and our own craters and see how the craters were formed. And then while we're doing this, I want you to think about the fact that rockets going up into space and the International Space Station need to try to avoid meteors and meteorites as well. Okay, so to start our crater experiment, we need to fill a tin or the bottom of a saucepan with flour. So obviously you need an adult to help you. So to get some flour, and you're going to cover the tin about 1 centimetre thick of flour. And this is going to be part of the moon surface. So we're making our own moon surface. So we'll just cover that. And we'll just have a look at how much flour we've put there. Brilliant, okay. Okay, so we're now going to add some cocoa powder. I'm going to spread that all across our moon surface. And this dark cocoa powder shows us the top layer of the moon surface. So the top layer of the moon surface is actually quite dark, or was quite dark. And you'll see in a moment that it's the correct craters that make the moon lighter and make that silvery shine that the moon has got. So here you'll see I've got lots of different chocolates to represent the different meteors or meteorites that are going to crash and land on the moon and make the craters. So we're going to drop them from a height and see what happens, see how the craters are formed. Okay, so I'm going to drop one of each chocolate and we'll take a closer look and see what happens. There's 1, 2, 3. And our last one, our last meteorite. Okay, let's have a closer look. Here you can see that they've started to make the moon look greyer and paler, and they've made big holes in it as well. Let's drop a few more and you can watch as they land. Until eventually the moon gets covered in craters. Look at my moon now, it's full of craters, and you can see that the whiter bits, the shinier bits are coming through, so the moon surface is not as dark now. How does that compare to my video of the moon that we've got up here? You can see, can't you, the different colours. Most of it is actually quite light now, where it's been hit by so many craters. I hope you have fun doing this experiment, and I look forward to seeing your photos and videos of you doing it. Okay, as a little extra bit to your experiment, why not use your ingredients like we are and mix it with some sugar and some butter and use your sweets and your moon surface to make some chocolate shortbread cookies. We're going to give that a go. So I hope you've enjoyed this experiment, and like I say, if you use your ingredients and add some butter and some sugar, you can make some lovely shortbread cookies. I look forward to seeing those too. Have fun. Bye.